Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first video and I'm very excited to share this recipe with you all. This is a Bengal classic. It's called Chingri Macher Jhol. So here I am adding turmeric to marinate the fish. Now I'll add salt. Here we have salt. It's all to the taste. Now let's mix it well and keep it aside. Give a good mix and set it aside, and on a separate pan let's add mustard oil. I am using a flat bottom pan, hence the oil requirement is a little more. If you're using the general kadai that we have in the market, please use the oil as per your need. Now let's wait for this oil to smoke up, and you will see the smoke coming up from the oil. Here we have that point reaching up to that certain level where we have this oil smoking up. I'm going to add the prawns which we have marinated in turmeric and salt, and we are going to cook this till the time it's going to curl up on its own. Let's take it out. Now let's fry some potato. This is optional. Now I'll wait for the potato to be golden brown. Let's take them out once we see the goldening happening. Now I'm going to make a slurry, and I'm going to add turmeric powder, jeera powder, dhania powder, Kashmiri lal mirch powder for spice, and salt to taste. I have given the measurement of these masalas. I generally don't measure it with the spoon because I don't think that's the correct way of making Indian food. I've added water to it, and I'm just making a slurry out of it. Now I'm going to add Kalo Jeera or Nigella seed or Kalonji to the hot oil. Let it damper the oil a little bit. Now let's add the masala slurry that we made. And we will wait for it to reduce. You see the oil is starting to separate from the masala. Let's add the ginger paste. Let's mix it well and let it reduce again. Please note, in the ginger paste I have added water so that my mixer grinder can paste it well. So if you are just grating the ginger, add a little bit of water because or else the masala will burn. Slit two green chilies. I'm using one chili here. The reason being, this is a big one that I got recently in the market. So I'm just adding one and I have split it into 4 pieces. You can use one or two as per your taste. We will let it reduce again. Here we have the oil separating from the masala again. So we know that the raw smell of ginger has gone away. So now we can add some water to it. Let's add the potato first. Let the potato soak the masala in. Let's add water as per the gravy. Please note, I'm making this dish on a induction top oven. So I'm just ensuring that the masala does not get burned in the flat bottom pan that I'm using here. If you're using the general karai that we have in the market or at our home, please use those. Let's add the prawns now. I'm adding a pinch of sugar and a tomato in it to have a sweetness and a tomatoey flavor on the gravy. Please note if the tomato that you're using is little sour in nature, you may want to use half of it. My tomato is the Indian variant. It doesn't have any hybrid culture on it, so it's sweet and flavorful. So I'm using the entire tomato here. Now I'm going to cover it with the lid and I'll give it a couple of minutes time, approximately 10 to 15 minutes in low heat, and let the masala cook and the gravy thicken. Once I see the thickening is happening, I'm just removing the lid of the dish and reducing the temperature even further. I see the gravy has thickened well. Again, I'm ensuring that the gravy is not getting burned from the bottom because of the nature of my pan. And let it simmer for 3 minutes without the lid. I'm going to add dhania patta on this one, or the coriander leaves, and I'll cook it for 30 or 20 seconds more, and I'll cover it with a lid and keep it aside. Let the flavor incorporate the gravy. I'm tasting the food because I don't want to get any surprises after I take it off from the cooking procedure. And everything was okay, so I would recommend, if you're cooking for the first time, always taste your food. Thank you so much for your time. Please like and subscribe, it will mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching this video.